Searching is a powerful tool in OneNote. So over here, I have a tab called Searching with Powerful Search. So I'm going to add in some options right here. For example, I'm going to say this is going to be searching lesson right here. So searching lesson, this is searching. So I'm just going to spell correct it, searching. All right, there you go. So now I only have one instance of this right here. So it's going to be easily searchable. But if you have a lot of text stored over in different notes, then the search toolbar can help you really well. So over here in the set menu, which is the control is the shortcut for it. I'm just gonna go over here, and here I'm simply going to type in searching right here, and you can see that the search has been highlighted. So searching search is highlighted, and it is showing me where I can access these just like that. But let's try searching over in other documents. Let's say, for example, in lessons and quick notes and so forth, basically everything else. So what you can do is you can actually go over here and you can choose whether to search in this section of the notebook, this section group. So it only searches the group of the entire section, this notebook, and even all notebooks. So if I have multiple notebooks, I can simply search all notebooks as well. So I'm going to do that so I can search the content that I'm looking from across all the notebooks. So I'm going to say I'm searching for Maya, and you can see that there are 3 instances right here. So Maya note here, that's on the quick notes, and you can see that that has been highlighted. There's the Maya in lessons, just like that, and there's Maya in the lessons menu as well. So that is how you can use the search option inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.